Hi, hello, good evening. This is Dr. M. Saravanan, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Commerce International Business, Sri Narayana Guru College, Coimbatore. I extend a warm welcome to the class Business Research Methods. Today we are going to discuss about the meaning of research, the scope and significance of research, utility of research, and qualities of a good researcher. Now, what is research? Research is nothing but search after search. Now, why do you carry out research? The purpose of such repeated search is to thoroughly understand the problem or issue and find out the effective solution to the problem or the strategy to deal with the issue or the phenomenon. Research can be split as re plus search, that is, search after search. This is the world of knowledge. As knowledge is power, the desire for more has led to search for more knowledge. The need for knowledge, more knowledge, and the like drives the search for the same evergreen and even more expanding. And the main purpose of research is to discover the answers to the problems through application of scientific method. According to Webster's International Dictionary, research is defined as a careful, critical inquiry or examination in seeking facts or principles, diligent investigation in order to ascertain something. The characteristic features of research are: research is directed towards the solution of a problem. It is highly purposive. It involves the quest for answers to unsolved problems. It is characterized by patient and unhurried activity. Research is carefully recorded and reported. It generally involves a hypothesis or a set of hypotheses concerning explanation of a phenomenon. Research involves gathering new data from primary or first-hand sources or using existing data for a new purpose. The activities are more often characterized by carefully designed procedures. It requires expertise, that is, necessary skill to carry out the investigation, search the related literature to understand and analyze the data gathered. Research is nothing but a process of systematic and in-depth study or search of any particular topic involving collection, compilation, presentation, and interpretation of relevant data. And there are various objectives of research. What are the objectives? The first one is to get familiarity or in-depth knowledge into a particular area, to portray accurately the characteristics of an individual or a group to a situation, to test the hypothesis of causal relationship between two variables. What motivates one to do a research? Basically, one should have desire. All right. And research is what I'm doing when I don't know what I'm doing. These are the words of Wernher von Braun. These are the reasons why one is motivated to do research: desire to get a degree, desire to get intellectual joy, desire to get respectability, desire to be of service to the society, and desire to face the challenges in solving the unsolved problems. And what do you think the qualities of a good researcher? The researcher must possess some good qualities. They are: he should have an analytical mind, and he should have the ability to stay calm. He should be intelligent. He should have the curiosity to learn new things. He should be a quick thinker. He should have a sense of commitment to the work. What is he doing? He should have excellent written and verbal communication skills, and he should be sympathetic. A good researcher must be open minded and must also adopt a critical way of thinking. Besides, he or she should be hardworking, diligent, focused, and devoted to his or her specific field of interest. And he should update his or her knowledge, and it is the most important quality. And this can be accomplished in several ways, as he can go through current literature, attending conferences, or even exchanging ideas with colleagues working in a relevant field. Further, a modern researcher must be resourceful and inventive in order to transform his or her scientific queries and hypotheses into a realizable protocol. So, to sum up, today we have discussed about the motivation of research, the definition of research, characteristics, objectives, motivation, and qualities. So thank you for patiently listening. Catch you with another set of topic next time. Bye bye.